Okay, I just arrived at my aunt's house, so let's go to see her. Wow, look at this beautiful Japanese rice field. Very nice. こんにちは。すみません、急に。はい、上がります。手伝います。So beautiful. すいません、急に。わあ、すごい。This is my aunt, Juyuka Hananomoto. She is also a traditional Japanese dancer, but she has decided to end her career. So today I came to pick up a lot of kimono from her. Since Japan is very humid, so kimono is usually kept in a wooden chest like this, and each kimono is wrapped in paper.
これ持っていいんで。
すごい。
もうな、どれがいるったってな。
いや全部可愛い。
こうや。
うん。
ほら全部持っていってくれる？
いやもったいないよ。もってい
いるんだけ置いとっけ今から。
ああ、干して。うわー、これどうしたん？
これはいいねだったわ。
これは綺麗じゃん。
ちょうど今の春ちゃんにぴったりやな。
わあ、これも綺麗で。
春を聞いたらな。そうなんか。これは春ちゃんの見てる帯によったら、これが銀色の帯やしたらいいですよ。
うわ、これごっつい。Okay, now I came back. These are just a half stuff which she gonna give me. Oh, so messy. So I'm gonna arrange these kimonos and maybe I can show you a few of them. Okay, let's go. Actually, I'm so tired. Okay, everyone. Few days after since then. So these are all came from my aunt. So I'm going to arrange these kimono here. Let's get started. Okay, actually I have 3 more kimonos, but I don't have any space, so I'm going to show you just these kimono. I want to show you. This is so cute. This is a band. This is so gorgeous. This is a very classic one. Cherry blossom here. I like this blue one. And this is maybe summer kimono because it's so thin. And the blue one, and I love this pink one. And we also have more stuff here. Oh, I love this kimono. And I can goes So pleasant. Ruby. So nice. Okay, I wanted to show you all the kimono which came from my aunt, but I don't have enough space. I'm sorry about that. But what I wanna do with this kimono is actually I want to start online Nihonbuyo lesson and online kimono lesson, and I want to teach you how to wear the kimono and how to dance traditional Japanese dance. So you can take my course everywhere in the world because it was going on with online. And I want to give some of these kimono to my students who can value them. As you know, these kimono are so important for me because my aunt gave me. But she was also a traditional Japanese dancer, and she wanted to spread Japanese culture, kimono, Japanese dance. So I decided to do with online. So thank you for watching today, and I hope see you guys really soon. Thank you. Bye. ありがとうございました。